I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and I'm so excited to take you on a walking tour around one of the most beautiful cities in Portugal, Albufeira. If you are looking for a picturesque location with breathtaking views, you have come to the right place. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and leave a comment below. Now let's begin our tour. We will start from the coast and spread out to the hills and get an overview of the bay and its coast, past Faro to Burgal village. The stunning view of the Atlantic coast and the Serra Monte is breathtaking. We will also take you to the most popular beaches of Albufeira, including the spectacular Praia dos Alames. This city surely oozes with architectural beauty. Lose yourself in the white cobbled streets of the old town, decorated with colorful flowers and marquee facades. You will find traditional Portuguese restaurants, street musicians, bars, souvenir shops, and much more here. If you're looking for a unique experience, make sure to visit the local market for some fresh seafood, excellent wines, and traditional sweets. After exploring the city, you will be more than ready to jump in the crystal clear Atlantic waters. Playa Santa Eulalia is the perfect spot for an exciting surfing experience. For those of you who prefer calmer waters, the beach of Mantarota and Ilha Tavira are the perfect choices. To finish an amazing day, we will take you to one of the loveliest places of the city, the Fisherman's Beach. Soak in the tranquility of this breathtaking sunset and prepare yourself for a night of fun. Thank you for joining me on this incredible tour. I hope you enjoyed my guide around the fascinating city of Albufeira. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to see more inspiring travel videos. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.